We all have something ugly in our homes, old and ugly, and we don't really want to spend money on buying new because sometimes we just want to spare money. So in this video I'm going to show you how I repaired this light and how I made it into this beautiful modern looking light. Yeah, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up this bulb because it's there is lots of paint on it, and also this cover, there's lots of paint on it. Once this is clean, I'm thinking about also this wall is quite ugly in here, so maybe I will straighten it up. But what I want to do is to clean up this one and paint it gold so it fits and it connects with the style to our living room. Show me the future. So the magic ball is successfully down, and now we just need to clean it up from all the dust, and especially from the paint that you can see right here. To sand down this, I'm gonna use just a random orbital random center, whatever it's called. And I will use, in the beginning, I will use number 80, but later, when this paint is off, I'm gonna use something softer for just a normal plastic, maybe 200 or something. In the end, I actually ended up only using scenting paper number 80, and I'm very satisfied with the results. It looks totally new. I'm thinking about trying the same with this bulb or this cover for the light, and scent it out with also this one, but I'm thinking actually to use sandpaper that is gonna be less sharp, so if I can find 120 or something. So I hope you can see this spot here. That is where I tried to scent it down, and actually works really well. So now I'm gonna scent it down all the way, and yeah, it's not losing color or anything, so I'm pretty stoked about it. I didn't really even hope that I can get such a good result. You can see it's totally clean and looks like totally new. So now I just put a tape on it where I don't want the paint to go, and I will spray paint it with a gold color. So what do you think? Do you think you can use it in your own life? Do you think you can find something back in your home that needs some repairing? I mean, if you have something like that, please share it down in the comment section and inspire other people that are watching this video, so maybe they can also do it. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.